Good morning, students. The previous days we had find out equal pair of angles while giving three sides of triangles or two angles and equal sides are given like that. Today we had to find out the matching angles. Here two sides and angle between them is given. Two sides and angle between that side is given. We have to find out the matching angles. First of all, we have to write the equal sides. Here AB is given with the 3 centimeter. Here it is RQ is also 3. So RQ is equal to 3 centimeter. Next AC is equal to PQ is equal to 7 centimeter. Here two sides are equal and angle also given here. The next side BC is equal to PR. The value is not given, but the opposite angles are given here. That's why BC is equal to PR. Angle A. Opposite of BC is angle A, or the 40 degree angle opposite side is BC. 40 degree angle opposite side is PR. So angle A is equal to angle Q. So these are the values given in the question. You have to find out the matching angles. As we studied already, if the sides of a triangle, both the triangles are equal, the opposite angles are also equal. So AB is equal to RQ. Opposite of AB, what is angle? Angle C. Opposite of RQ, angle P. Then opposite of AC, angle B. Opposite of PQ, angle R. So if sides are equal, the opposite angles are also equal. Here two side and angle between is given, so both triangles are equal because all three angles and all three sides are equal. So see the principle how it is equal. If two sides of a triangle and the angle made by them are equal to two sides of another triangle and the angle made by them, then the third side of the triangle are also equal. The other two angles are also equal. Here two sides and angle between them is given of both the triangles. Once it is equal means all the three sides, the third side of the triangle are also equal because the opposite angles are also equal. Like this you have to find out. First you write, remember this one, the angle between two sides and in between that angle is given. If it is the angle is given in the other side, it is not an equal triangle. So angle between the side 7 centimeter and 3 centimeter, the angle is between this 40. Here 3 and 7, the angle is here. So if two sides of a triangle and angle made by them are equal to two sides of another triangle, then the third side of the triangle are also equal. The other two angles are also equal. That is given like this. So these are the matching pair of angles, and this is the third side that is equal according to the principle. In the figure below, AC and BE are parallel lines. AC and BE are parallel lines. The first question, are the length of BC length of BC and DE are equal, or the length of BC and DE are equal. If these two lines are parallel, what about this length? Is it equal or not? And why it is equal? In 7th we studied the parallel lines, which are the angle form in between. So if two parallel lines are there, we cut it like this. These two are the corresponding angles. These one also corresponding angle, they are equal also. So using this method you have to find out this question. Here AC and BE are the two parallel lines and it is cutting AD. So AC and BE are the two parallel lines crossed by cutting AD. So here two corresponding angles you will get, that is angle CAB, the first corresponding angle, EBD, angle EBD. In the case of parallel lines, these two corresponding angles have the same value, so it is equal. Both are corresponding angles. If two angles are equal, the opposite sides are equal. That is studied already. If two angles are equal, the opposite of that sides are also equal. So write this principle also. If two sides of a triangle and the angle made by them are equal to the two sides of another triangle and the angle made by them, then the third side of the triangle are also equal. The other two angles are also equal. Therefore, we can write these two sides are equal. So we can write this one as BC is equal to DE. So what is the reason? This is the reason. If two sides of a triangle and the angle made by them are equal to two sides of another triangle and the angle made by them, then the third side of the triangle are also equal. The other two angles are also equal. So opposite of these two angles is these two sides. So they are equal. The next question, are BC and DE are parallel? BC and DE, are they parallel, and what is the reason? Same like the previous, you have to find out the other corresponding angles. Here one corresponding angle is ABC. This is the first corresponding angle. The next one BDE. These two are also equal. Angle ABC is equal to angle BDE. Both are corresponding angles. So if they are corresponding angles, ABC and BDE both are corresponding angles, we can write these two lines are parallel. So BC and DE are parallel lines. If these two are parallel only, these two angles will be corresponding and it will be equal. So BC is parallel to DE, and the reason is same. Why it is parallel? This is the reason. If two sides of a triangle and the angle made by them are equal to two sides of another triangle and the angle made by them, then the third side of the triangle are also equal. The other two angles are also equal. That write the answer why it is parallel. In the first question, both sides are equal, and the second one, these two sides are parallel also. Is ACBD in the figure is a parallelogram. Why? This is the question. Here you can see two triangles here. One is triangle ABC, and another triangle BAD. We already studied, if two triangles are equal, the sides and angles, sides opposite to the angles are also equal. Here the given equal length, first AC is equal to BD is equal to 6 centimeter, and AB is common for both the triangles, so AB is equal to AB. So opposite of AC, which is that angle here, and two more angles given, so it is angle CAB is equal to angle DBA. Both are 35 degree. So these are the given things in the question. Using this, you have to find out the other angles and all. So AC, the opposite angle is here. BD, the opposite angle is here. If the sides are equal, you can write the angles are also equal. So this angle is ABC. Angle ABC equal to opposite of BD, angle BAD, angle BAD. So sides are equal, the opposite angles are also equal. And see this one, these are the alternate angles. Alternate angles. See this also alternate angles. So if they are alternate angles, so AB is cutting these two lines. Angle ABC and angle BAD are the alternate angles made by the line AB meeting the pair AC and BD. So these two lines are parallel. So BC is parallel to BC is parallel to AD. So these are also parallel lines. And you got angle BAC and angle ABD are alternate angles made by the line AB meeting the pair AC and BD. Here AC is parallel to BD. So these two sides are parallel and these also parallel sides. So you can write this as a parallelogram. So the given thing is here AC and BD 6 centimeter, the corresponding alternate opposite sides. These are the two angles They are alternate and are equal. Next, angles are given opposite to that sides, and if AB is cutting these two lines, these are parallel lines, and if the alternate angles are given, the two sides are also parallel. So four sides are parallel, we can write it as a parallelogram. AC parallel to BD and BC parallel to AD. In the figure below, M is the midpoint of the line AB. M is the midpoint of AB. Compute other two angles in triangle ABC. Compute the other two. Angle A is given. You have to find out angle B and angle C. So in this figure, AB is the line, M is the midpoint, and angle A is given. You have to find out angle B and angle C. Here you can see two triangles here. One is triangle AMC. Triangle AMC. And one more triangle is here, BMC. Two triangles we got. Here MC is the common side for both the triangles. MC equal to MC. Then if M is the midpoint, we can write AM is equal to BM. AM is equal to BM because M is midpoint of AB. MC is the common side for both the triangles and M is the midpoint of this line, so these two sides are equal. And M is the midpoint, so what about these two angles? Here it is 90 degree, here also you get a right angle 90 degree. So angle AMC is equal to angle BMC. Both are right angles. Then MC is the common side for both the triangles. So opposite of this angle is here. So angle A. Then opposite of this angle is angle B. And what is the value? If angle A is 50, angle B is also 50 degree. So both are 50 degree each. So here two angles you got. Next you have to find out C. You know, in a triangle, the sum of three triangles are, sum of three angles are 180 degree. In triangle ABC, angle A is 50, angle B is 50, angle C you have to find out. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle A is 50 degree and angle B is also same 50 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So you can write 100 degree plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So what about angle C? Angle C is equal to 180 minus 100 degree. So we will get 80 degree. So angle C is 80 degree. So this is here you can find out all three angles. Angle A is equal to 50, angle B is equal to 50, angle C is equal to 80. Remember this one, MC is the common side for both the triangles and this is a right angle triangle. 90 degree you will get here. If M is a midpoint, these two lines are equal length. So MC is equal to MC and AM equal to BM because M is a midpoint. Then MC is the common side, opposite angles are equal. So angle A is equal to 50, angle B is also 50. So two angles you got now, angle A and angle B. So finding out angle C, you have to use this one. sum of all three angles are 180 in a triangle. So from that angle C you got as 80 degree.